Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. So, welcome to this session in which we will discuss the multiple choice system database and how to quickly add a new chapter. Yeah. So, let's make a copy of this file, which we had in the previous. We used this in our previous video. Okay. So this is our file, right? So the last file is this. Okay. So we have made a copy of this so that the previous one remains intact, and whatever we do here. So this is our topic is in here is splitting creating a new chapter, creating a new chapter, a new chapter in MCQ database, MCQ database. Okay, so we have renamed the file, and let's open the file. It's now being opening, and as soon as it comes, it will come with a uniform singular. So we leave it like that. We don't do anything in that. Our focus is on what we intend to do is creation of new chapter. As you know, the chapters are in column B, and column B, these are the chapters. Okay, 15, chapter number 15, lesson number 15, right? So it has plenty of questions. 14 questions have been so far added. If you see, yeah, chapter 15 until here, how many count? The 14 questions. As you can see, if you see here, you will see here also the 14 questions, right? 14 questions. Fair enough. So if we go there, so if you start attempting these questions, it will keep on increasing until 14 questions, right? Okay. So how to quickly add a new chapter? Let's take an example that these last two questions are actually a different topic. It is talking about the toolbar, a custom toolbar, right? So why not make this chapter to be 16. This is chapter number 16, maybe lesson number 16. Okay, and then we are going to write the title, the custom toolbars, custom toolbars. Since these last two questions were regarding the custom toolbars, okay, so we copy this to the two questions, right? That's it. So you have added the two, not only a new chapter, but the two questions have been shifted to this new chapter. Then previously there were 14 here, right? Now there are 12 in this chapter. If you see, it is telling you, previously it was showing 14 questions, now it is showing you only 12 questions. Where have the two questions gone? They have gone to the new chapter. And these are the results, and the new chapter has been created, and the new questions have also been transferred from the previous chapter to the new chapter. So this is a very easy to handle database, which you can use for numerous purposes, for testing your own memories, for example. Yeah, for testing your own memory, for testing the memory of your students, for your subordinates if you are working in a corporate environment, or you can use it in the home as well. If your children are studying and you want to keep an eye on their understanding, just develop their questions and let them attempt them, and this will start like it's a fun learning and interesting way, and it will keep you scoring the questions. As soon as the question is rightly answered, you get 1 point. If a wrong answer is given, then a half a mark is given deducted, and that's how it is. And you can take this concept and develop furthermore. So at the same time, you have another look of this quiz, and this is random. This is sequential. In this manner, it is a sequentially going. It is taking the first question first and the last one in the end, right? So it goes on in a sequential manner. But if you want this to be in a random manner, so sheet 2, this is the sheet which on every attempt, you never know that how many questions are taken, right? So it is among the 3. It will start from the row number 3 until 33, until row number 33. Why 33? No, it has taken the 33. So until 58, it will go to 58, right? Maximum of that day. So that is 58. Yeah, 3 to 58, any number would come. That is, if it comes 33, so the 33 question, the question will come in here, and you have to ask chapter or chapters, right? So these are deleted if they are. So here, and then after deletion, they are recreated. The chapter is recreated, and the validation rule is set on this range, and that's it. And the validation brings the new chapter which you have added into the chapter dropdown. So this is how it is done. So now let's see where is the chapter sheet, right? Which we were talking about all these things, right? So we go to here and press right click, and we click unhide, and here it is the chapter sheet. It's only a one columnar sheet, which is only meant to produce unique chapter names, so that our drop down in this it gets refreshed on the basis of this range, right? Okay. And at the same time, it is let's go and see this drop down, and in the data tab, if you have the ribbon, you have a data tab, and in here you have the validation. Yeah, this is the validation, data validation. Let's click on it, and it is talking about the source, right? It is the source of this drop down is the chapters, right? And if you want to see the so it has to be unhidden, right? So it is unhide. So now you can press F5 to go to. This will bring the go to, and you will see that the name which is there, that is chapters. It is not the name sheet name, it is the range name which is named as chapters. Okay, so let's go to there, and it is going to take you to the right place where all these things, 16 chapters have been added in there. Okay, and even if you hide this sheet, right? Let's hide this sheet. It is still going to work, right? Of course, while remaining at any place. If you press F5 and now you want to go to the chapter, it won't take you because the sheet is hidden, right? So that's it. So how does your query is answered, that how does these chapters get automatically updated once you just enter in here? So it keeps an eye as soon as you activate the sheet, the quiz sheet, and in the activation sheet, it always clears first of all the hidden sheet, although it is hidden, but you can do all these operations while the sheets remain hidden, right? It clears everything in the hidden sheet, then it auto filters is then false, so that if there is any filter is hampering our process, so that gets cleared. Okay, so all the records are taken from right from B3 to the last cell, right, in the B column, that are the chapters. These are copied first of all to the chapter, to the sheet chapters. It is copied to the sheet chapter at A1 position, right? And then it will, of course, remove the duplicates and then set up the validation, and that's how it gets updated. Okay, so this is how the chapters are added automatically, and you don't have to do any manual work. The system will do it automatically. Okay, thank you very much for watching.